Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you all doing today morning? Yellaru hegidira. So the plan for today is I've bought Bobo jaw grip. So I'll just go and unbox it right now. You can just watch in the video and I'll go ahead and install that as well. Let's see how this come across. And trust me, putting a mobile holder on Super Sport is not that easy, but I have to work my ass off. But yeah, I'll try putting it. So guys, here is what I have ordered from Bobo. It is called jaw grip. So they have sent me a note. They say thanks for your order, Rakshit. And I'm Rakshit. So if you Bobo, if you're watching me, make sure that you write the spellings correctly. And I did contact them for a sponsor, but considering I don't have much views or much subscribers, they said no, which is okay, no problem. And moreover, I'm the first guy who's going to put this on the Super Sport. No one ever would put a Super Sport. They usually try the RAM mount, which they should have tried giving me, which is alright, no problem. Let me grow. Then from a business perspective, I think it's alright. So let's see what's there in the box. So you get 3 different components and bit of pin locks. This is called the, what do you call it? I don't know, this plastic thing to just tie it off. So this is the main holder that it comes with, and then you also have a charger that you can actually connect to the batteries. The negative on the positives are here, so I'll decide whether I have to connect it or not. But yeah, there's one more. This is an extension if you're using it as well, but I don't think I'll be using it. And then followed by you have the main holder itself. So let me open it for you. So this is what is gonna fit to the handle. So yeah, and this is the one which is gonna hold. Let me zoom in. This what is gonna hold the mount as well. So yeah, small Allen key to tighten this up here, to tighten this nut. And in case if you're using a spacer, different size spacer, here is a spacer as well. Here's a spacer, and there's a 3M tape which you can actually put it inside so that it doesn't stick. So Super Sport usually doesn't come with this stuff, so let me go ahead and install it. See you in the installation. So to put the here, there's only very little gap, so I will just unscrew the clutch thing which holds. I'll just unscrew one of these nuts so it will become loose. Then I can just get it a little closer so that we'll have some gap putting it here. It's going to be hard, but yeah, I'll try to see what I can do. Yeah. So this is how it's gonna look. So what I've done is I've moved the clutch lever towards the other side, and then I have put the mount here, so it's not gonna touch. While putting mobile, I might have to adjust a bit, but I think it's okay to manage. And the battery connection, it is run inside. I did remove this panel, and then I put the wire inside, and the wire goes up and comes over here. So I'm not connecting it because when I'm touring, it makes sense to connect, or else it will start dripping the battery. So I've just kept it here in a safe wire cover. So that's how we did today. And also I've started to put a new intro for our YouTube channel. It's going to be all about flybys and all about my bike and my content. So just look into it, and I hope that the intro and with the background music, I hope you guys like it. See you on another vlog. Take care. Bye.